My active duty military service is coming to an end. And as one chapter closes, I would like to take an adventure before the next one opens. This video is to inform you that I will be taking a bike trip from Northern California to the border of Mexico. I would be accompanied by one of my great military friends, Neiman Bufford. This would be a 24-day ride with over 1,000 miles traveled, and with a total of more than 90,000 miles of total elevation gained. This video is to inform you the ways you can follow along our journey. You can keep up to date on my Instagram at theonlytylor, where I'll post stories to a story highlight. You can also watch this video and other videos alike on the YouTube channel, The Only Tyler. We are also starting a GoFundMe account to help with the expenses such as food, stay, and other bike necessities. If you would like to donate, the link will be in my bio on Instagram or in the description below this video. Thank you for watching, and welcome along the journey to ride 1,000 miles.